If you use Evernote for taking notes, research, planning, or saving ideas, then this quick tip can make a big difference. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view notes in full screen in Evernote so you can remove distractions and focus on your content more easily. This is especially useful if you're working on a long note, reviewing information, or just want a cleaner workspace while editing. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Evernote tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Evernote and go to the note you want to view. You can do this from your notes list, notebooks, or by searching for the note directly. Once the note is open, look toward the very top left area of that note window. You should see the Expand Note button there. This is the control that lets you enlarge the note view and hide extra interface clutter. Now click the Expand Note button on the very top left of the note. As soon as you do that, Evernote will expand the note into a cleaner, more focused view. This makes it much easier to read your notes without distractions from other panels, menus, or sidebars getting in the way. If you're editing text, reviewing important details, or presenting information from your note, this expanded view is a lot more comfortable to work with. Once the note is expanded, take a moment to see how much more space you have. The layout becomes simpler, and your attention stays on the content instead of the surrounding interface. This can be really helpful if you have a lot of text in one note or if you want to concentrate while typing. It also gives you a better viewing experience on smaller screens where every bit of space matters. If at any point you want to go back to the normal layout, look for the Collapse Note button in the same area. Click that Collapse button and Evernote will return the note to its regular view. That means you can switch back and forth whenever you need to, depending on whether you want a full screen style workspace or the standard Evernote layout. So just to recap, open the note, click the Expand Note button at the top left, and your note will expand for a distraction-free reading and editing experience. Then, when you're finished, click the Collapse Note button to return to normal. It's a simple feature, but it can make your workflow feel much smoother and more focused. If this Evernote tip helped you, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.